Hey everyone, I am Parmeet Singh from Geekybajis, and this time we will show you how to apply green screen effect or chroma key effect in your video using your Android device. So let's get started. For this you will need an application called KineMaster, and you have to create an project in which you have to apply the green screen effect. So after creating the project, click on the video layer and browse to the folder where you have saved the video you have to use in your video. So after selecting the video, click on the video and click on green screen. After clicking on green screen, you will see enable. Just click on it and it will enable the green screen effect, and done. You can adjust the green screen color at the background, and you can also adjust the foreground subject of the video, and done. It's just simple like that. You can also add two video layers in the same project, and do the same procedure like the previous one, and that's it. You have successfully applied the green screen effect through your phone. If you like our video, then please like, share and comment. Don't forget to like our Facebook page, facebook.com/geekybajis, and also follow us on Instagram, instagram.com/geekybajis. Also follow us on Twitter @geekybajis. So thank you guys. We'll meet you in the next video. Peace.